Hola amigos, bienvenidos! Hi friends, and welcome back to another great episode of the Language Tutor Spanish. Well guys, today I have a very short and easy video for you, a little easy lesson for you. I want to talk to you about two verbs. Now, you've learned these verbs before, but now I want to talk about those verbs in the past tense. And the reason that I'm talking about them in the past tense together is because they are so similar. It's always good to group things in your mind that have similarities. And so these two verbs I want to teach you because they are almost the same in the past tense, just with a slight modification, okay? So those two verbs are this one. First of all, this one, dar, which means to give. Now you remember we learned that many lessons ago. To give, dar, we learned it in the present tense with two other verbs because they were very similar. We learned those with estar and also with ir because they had that oy, oy in the present tense. That was their irregularity. So we grouped those together. But we're going to learn dar in the past tense with this one, ver. Ver means to see. Now, we're learning these together because, as I said, they are almost exactly the same in the past tense. All right, so let's throw the chart up there and we'll go ahead and get these conjugations down. Now, first of all, let's do dar, okay? Now, dar in the past tense, we're gonna kind of use ER, IR past tense endings with them, but we don't have to worry about any accents, okay? So the first one, if the yo form is gonna be this, di, just di, that's it, di. And then the tu form is diste, diste. Now, I want to go ahead and tell you, I like to do that visual, make connections. Go ahead and take that diste and move it over to the vosotros form and just simply add is, distes. So that kind of helps you remember how to spell the vosotros form. It's almost the same. We just add that is to it. Now, on the bottom left, the él, ella, and usted form, we have dio. Dio, no accents to worry about, just D-I-O. And up on the top right, we have the nosotros form, which is dimos, dimos. Okay, and we already got the vosotros, disteis. And on the bottom right, we have dieron, dieron. All right, so we have di, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dieron. All right, now watch this. If we want to do ver, to see in the past tense, we're going to use all of these same conjugations, just replace that D with a V. That's it. So, watch this. I saw is now yo vi. Yo vi. And you saw, tú viste. Go ahead and move that over to the vosotros form. Add the is, vosotros visteis. It's easy. Bottom left, él, ella, usted vio. Top right, we saw, nosotros vimos. And on the bottom right, we have ellos, ellas, and ustedes vieron. All right, so guys, you see that if you just learn one of them with a slight change in that first letter, you got them both down. So this is a great one to start bringing in your conversation, okay? Now, before we end this lesson, I do want to show you this verb or these two verbs in context a little bit. So let's look at a few examples. Let's look at, just try to randomly put them together. Let's look at this one. He gave. He gave. You're already thinking about this, I bet, putting it together in your head, but it's this. Él dio. Él dio. All right? Now, let's look at another one. Same thing, but let's put in an indirect object pronoun. He gave me. Okay, he gave me. Remember, we put those in front of the verb. So it's going to be this. Él me dio. Él me dio. All right, let's change it up now. Let's do we saw. We saw. Okay. Nosotros vimos. I bet you're already putting these together without my help, aren't you? All right, now let's do they gave. They gave. Ellos dieron. Ellos dieron. Now let's do one more. I saw. I saw. Yo vi. There you go. Well, guys, that's it for this easy, short lesson. Now, bring these verbs into your conversation. Start using them all the time. And bring in some more indirect object pronouns, okay? Practice all you can. Remember that conversation is key. Practicing is key, okay, guys? All right, I'll see you on the next lesson of the Language Tutor Spanish. Hasta pronto. Friends, thanks for watching the Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.